Are you wondering how to monetize a Skool community without needing a product or showing your face? This may sound tricky, but I'm going to walk you through some clever ways to do this using Skool and how you can build a successful community that brings in revenue, all while staying behind the scenes. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share an exclusive offer that could supercharge your Skool journey, plus some alternatives that might be better for your goals. Let's dive in. Skool is a popular community platform designed to help creators, entrepreneurs, and even business owners build an engaged following. But what if you don't have a product to sell? What if you're camera shy or just don't want to put your face out there? No problem. You can still turn your Skool community into a revenue generating machine with a few smart strategies. First, you can set up a membership based community. This is where people pay a subscription fee to access exclusive content, like lessons, discussions, or resources. You don't need a physical product, just valuable content that people find useful. With Skool's structured approach, you can easily offer different tiers of access, with the top tier getting exclusive perks like one-on-one coaching, direct messaging access, or early access to content. Next, consider using affiliate marketing. You can partner with companies or services that align with your community's interests and promote their products without ever showing your face. Skool allows you to integrate affiliate links in your community posts and discussions. So, every time a member clicks on a link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. This is a low-effort way to monetize while providing value to your community with relevant products or services. The third thing to consider is offering community-driven content or workshops. You don't need to be the face of everything. Instead, create a space where members can contribute their own expertise and insights. You can offer to facilitate or moderate discussions on a specific topic, or even let members host their own sessions. This way, you're still providing valuable content without being in front of the camera yourself. The fourth thing is to leverage Skool's integrations with tools like Zapier to automate certain processes. This includes creating automated courses, member communications, and even payments. By automating the workflow, you can focus on what really matters, grow in your community, without being bogged down by administrative tasks. This leaves you with more time to focus on scaling your monetization. Lastly, there's the option of creating paid challenges or group coaching programs. You don't have to put yourself on camera to offer high-value, paid group coaching or a unique challenge. By organizing and moderating these experiences behind the scenes, you can still earn revenue and help your community grow. It's all about creating a space where people are motivated to engage and learn, and you can charge for access to the experience. By now, you may be wondering, what's the best way to set all of this up? Skool offers some cool features, but it's not perfect for everyone. Sure, the community building tools are solid, but the monetization features are somewhat limited. If you're looking for a more robust solution, I've got you covered with some fantastic alternatives that might be better suited for your monetization goals. Now, before you leave, I want to share an exclusive offer with you. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. This isn't just any trial. This is an extended version that gives you more time to explore the features. Plus, I'll point you to some great alternatives that also offer free trials and can help you meet your goals faster. So, whether you're sticking with Skool or exploring other platforms, make sure you check out the links below to get started with your community monetization journey. You don't need a product or a camera, just a great strategy and the right platform to make it happen.